To care for your pet crabs, you'll need a tank that's at least 10 gallons, 38 liters, and a warm location out of direct sunlight to set it up. Pour an even layer of aquarium sand about 2 inches, 5 centimeters deep, over the bottom of the tank. Pile up a little more sand on one side of the tank to create a sloped surface so your crabs will be able to come out of the water if they want to. Depending on what kind of crabs you're keeping, you'll need to give them either dechlorinated freshwater or a mixture of freshwater and marine salt. Consult the care guide from the pet store to find out what kind of water they need. Add enough water so that most of the sand at the bottom of the tank is submerged, but about a third of the sand on the higher end of the slope is above water. Add an aerator and filter to keep the water clean and oxygenated, and place a heater in or under the tank so you can keep it at the right temperature. Crabs are omnivores, so you can feed them a wide variety of foods, including fruits and vegetables, seaweed, raw fish, or even dry dog or cat food. Give them cuttlefish shells as a source of calcium. Decorate the tank with aquarium-safe artificial plants to make it look nice and keep your crab entertained.